Yeah, this sucks. I'm starving. I will eat anything. Food, meal. Cheers. So we've made it to the base of Mount Shasta, and apparently this is not a hike. This is like a mountaineering, like multi-day, typically like a 2 or 3 day mountaineering trip. So apparently when you get to the last third of this, glacier, snow, you really need to have like all your like ice picks and stuff like that to really get up, because there's snow bridges that you can, you know, fall through and stuff like that when the snow just really isn't packed in. Just that last part is a lot more technical, but I'm thinking maybe we can go like halfway up and kind of just assess how it's looking. So let's just hike a little bit, take a little sneak peek for what we're doing tomorrow. So the pants feel good. Boots, a little heavy for jogging. Definitely doable. But I think they just need to be like broken in. If you've been watching the channel at all, doing my other hikes, you know I don't like to hike on a full stomach or food me. So I like to do a big meal the day before or the night before. So let's head back down into town, pick up some stuff for not only meals on the mountain tomorrow, but for tonight, find a place to stay for the night. I am currently in a park looking for a water spout because I have zero water. This little town, Shasta, it's not hard to find overnight parking. Go find a sort of secluded place to overnight and cook food. Not a bad spot. Hopefully we don't get bothered here tonight. So I think we're okay. I'm planning on probably 7 to 8 hours of hiking tomorrow, and we're gonna kind of see like, let's just kind of see how far we can go. What I'll do is I got some food at the store, so we'll bring up a meal tomorrow as well on the mountain, and we'll cook up on the mountain.
Do you camp out here?
Yeah, I've been traveling a lot, so I'll probably camp somewhere out here.
A lot of.
Right, yeah, I'll probably be going up to the mountain tomorrow, so.
Wow, look at that, you have the whole grill down.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. I'm not that hungry, but I'm gonna force myself to eat early just so when I wake up tomorrow I don't feel too heavy. It's stir fry with chicken sausage. I haven't done a big hike in probably a week to 2 weeks now, so I feel like we're gonna push it, really get after it tomorrow. Cheers. Oh, I feel fat. So I still got a couple hours of daylight, but I'm not doing much else for the rest of the night. Let things wind down, get ready for tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Morning. We're at the trailhead. We're getting started a little late. It's 10:30. Try to get up as fast as possible. A ton of snow up there, but we're gonna see what the conditions are like. Probably be up here all day. Got a building up here. I think this is horse camp. I think I could smoke this summit. We're like almost there. This is straight up, man. Ooh. This is flat. I'll double check this, but from my understanding, this used to be an active volcano. It's a perfect day. Not too windy, not too hot. So I'm gonna try to push it today. Also, one thing I wasn't anticipating, there's pretty much no tree coverage. Really not too bad so far. Not too bad. Come on. Pina colada. Hi there.
Morning.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, you're pretty quick. I think there's a trail there, is what it looks like. I'm not seeing anything up here, so
I was just following you.
I think I'm gonna be following you now.
Where are you headed?
I don't really know.
Me neither.
They say this takes 2 days to. Hey, you can see that coming up. Someone tent there. So the guy who passed me, and I was kind of following the whole way. He's gonna turn back. It's getting pretty steep here. Well, I know they're up there. I think I see them. They just started a massive rock slide. I thought that was water and boulders coming down. And I think I see him right on the peak over there. I think those are people. That's dangerous. That will kill you. Holy we gotta be heads up for sure. That will f me up. Wow. It is 1:06. We started at 10:40. We're making good progress. We're starting to get to the altitude where, you know, you're starting to feel it in your head. A doozy of a hike, and I think it's only like maybe a couple more miles, but we're operating at like 1 mile an hour. Very nice though, not a cloud in the sky. But they came tumbling all the way down there. So if we get anything above us when these guys are doing the mountain pass, we gotta be careful. Pause here. I'll put on some cover. Let's just chill for like 10 minutes. Force myself to just regroup. Yeah, this sucks. It's so nice out here though. Oh man. We're like on a 45-degree slope. Stretch the legs. We're gonna sleep good tonight, that's for sure. Get a move on. Gotta keep going. I see someone coming down. That's where all that rock is coming from. That is a horrible line. Holy shit. I do not want to do that. So here's the deal. Oh shit. So I was just talking with this guy, and he was saying he camped here at Helen Lake last night, and he made it not to the summit because it's not passable if you don't have crampons, which I don't even know what crampons are. So he said he made it like up to that rock, but once you get to the mountain pass, he's like, dude, it's not even possible. He said there's like 10-foot drops in the snow. So fuck. That sucks. That guy's a good hiker too, and he's like European or something, so you know he knows what he's doing. He said right when you make it up, like the snow, it's not even worth it. I'm gonna give him a little bit of room, and then I think we're gonna turn around, unfortunately.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
This is doable. This is a one-day hike. I started at 10:30. If I would have started at like 6, if you start this at 6, this is a one-day hike. You can make this if you're pretty good at know what you're doing. I think this is the end of the road. That guy's pretty quick though. He's already down there, way down there. Look at this view, man. Let's head back down to the lake, some flatter area, and let's cook up a meal. So I happened to pass him, and he came back around. He showed me pictures at the top. It is insane. There's just a wall of snow on the backside, and you have to have crampons or spikes on your boots. And he was just showing me the videos he took. It's like this tiny, like 1-foot section that you walk on the backside to get to the summit, and then it's just straight down. And he was like, dude, he's a much better climber than me. And he was like, dude, I'm not even gonna attempt that. So we're back at Lake Helen. I think there are some shelters a little bit further down where it's not as windy. Let's try to hit one of those little shelters. Oh. Here's a better spot with some shade. Ow. And someone left an ice pick. I might take that. Dynamite chili. I just took the wrapper off. We're gonna cook it in there. Oh, I just ripped my bag more. Gatorade powder and an avocado that's kind of busted, but that's okay. Am I out of water? There's no way. No way am I out of water. There's a little bit in there. Not much. So we're definitely boiling water. So along with the chili, last night I chopped up some onion in a bag, some green bell pepper this morning. And I brought 2 tortillas. Oh, we're very light on oil. Because I don't know how much fuel I have, we're gonna do 1 cup at a time. And then we're just gonna let this pan sit in the sun. Actually, oh my God, dude. 2 chutes of snow, pretty much right at the base of those 2 chutes where they meet. That's where we were. All right, whatever. Good enough for me. Take our hot pot, and then we'll go here, and we'll just cook all that in the can. Hopefully this is cooling down. That's an awfully hot coffee pot. Not much water for all that propane. Ow. Oh. Yeah. That's an awfully hot coffee pot. Oh, it's so boiling. This is gonna melt all of this. Oh. You guys like the new fit? I threw down some cash at the for the old Walmart special, huh? Damn, boy. Damn, no more holes in my shoes. Shoot. The Walmart special. Starting to heat up here. Oh yeah, bud. Let's pop this boy open. That's an awfully hot coffee pot. Water's looking good. Still warm. I'm sure the snow is probably fine to eat, right? I think it's mostly like creeks and streams and stuff. I'm sure this is pretty sterile. I scooped out, you can see my scoop marks a little bit, a couple inches out, and got some underneath, but I don't know. That's an awfully hot coffee pot. Try to get the meat and beans, not too much of all the sauce and everything. Random blops of avocado on top. Don't know what you call this, but chili mountain tacos. I'm starving. I will eat anything. Food, meal. Cheers. We've got our cooked water with a little bit of dirt in it. Boom. I don't think I have enough propane to cook all this water, so I think I'm just drinking this snow. We tried. Oh, that's great. There you go. That propane just died right in front of me. That's sad. We're drinking bad water. Round 2. All right, well, propane is out. Oh, there's some dirt in there. I think we just got to go for it. Pretty much got most of my stuff packed up. It's 4:20. I'm probably just gonna hang out here for another like 20 minutes. Just sit down, relax, maybe get some shut-eye, and then we'll get off this mountain. If you guys are still here, appreciate you guys. I'm not going to bore you guys with the same old footage of going down the mountain, but in the next couple of days we're going to be heading north into Oregon. We're pretty much on the Oregon border already, so look for those videos. But if you guys like any of this content, think about liking it, subscribing to the channel. There's definitely going to be some more videos coming out soon. And one last look. But appreciate all of you sticking around, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay.
Where'd you come out of?
I was just right there.
Really? Was it snowy?
So a guy was coming down from the top.
Yeah.
He did about 90%. He said the last 10% is just not possible.
Really?
Unless you have spikes on your shoes and you have ice pick and everything like that. He took some video of it. It's like, I don't have the picture here, but it's like a narrow pass, probably like this wide, and then just straight down on the back side.
Oh.
So,
He didn't get to the top?
he didn't go to the top.
So
no.
you were here?
I got here.
And were you trying to go to
And
the top?
yeah, I was trying to go to the top.
Oh my
and he
God.
was up here
Lord
ish.
have mercy.
Yeah, so he was coming down when I was going up, so I just turned around.
Did you
It
camp?
was a day hike.
Where'd you start from?
I started at 10:30. I was trying to do the whole thing in one day, but
Where'd you start from?
right there.
Are you camping?
No, I'm just gonna head out.
Oh, you're in the car.
Yeah.
So you got here at 10?